Okay, for the rear delt, most of you already know how to do a face pull or a rear delt fly. But today I'm going to show you an exercise that's a bit of a medium between the two. It is my favorite rear delt exercise. It's gotten me through quite a few shoulder plateaus. So please stick with me, follow along. We're doing one set to feel, one set to control, and one set to explode. Deep breath in, chest out. Bring your butt back like you're gonna do a hamstring deadlift, but stop once you get tension in your hamstrings. Keep the weight straight in front of you. Now just rotate and push back. Subtle. Rotate and push them behind you. It's okay if you feel your triceps here. We're doing this set to feel, so anywhere over 25 reps is good. I'm not counting, I'm just going till I feel. I tend to change things every 5 reps or so. For example, now I'm gonna go just back, 3, 4, 5. Let's over rotate in. 1, go down a little more, 2, over rotate, 3, 4, 5, regular, just straight back, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's do some full swings with them. All the way rotate. 1, 2, 3, 4. Try to stay even. 5. Don't let your left or your right hike up higher than the other. Just normal. 1, 2. Just every 5, just try to change it up. 3. If you don't know where to go, just go back to the standard. 5. Straight back again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can I clap? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Full rotation again, all the way in. Rotate, 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 rotate. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's hold for a sec. Stand up tall. Just keep the shoulders back. It's okay if you feel some tricep. The tricep is the neighbor of your rear delt. Just keep those shoulders back. Yeah, I can see them. I can see my rear delt engaging. Okay, that's a good feel set. Relax. I'm gonna set them down. We're gonna take 3 deep breaths. Just 3. Draw your belly button in. Feel your shoulders. That's 3. Now we're gonna go up a bit in weight. This was only 10 pounds. We're gonna go up to 15s. And now we're working a control set. The control set, we're gonna hold the weight now. Take your 15s, come back to your starting position. Narrow stance. Your stance should always be somewhat narrow. We don't want wide feet. They say wide feet for balance. However, when you take away balance by going narrow, you achieve balance. So don't stand with wide feet, stand with narrow feet, almost always, unless you're doing sumos. Okay, set 2, control. Get back in a ready position with your butt cocked back. Dumbbells in front of you, and we're gonna rotate, push back, and squeeze and hold your shoulders there. Stiffen the arms, hold this, hold it. You're gonna feel pressure in all kinds of little areas in the back, your upper back mainly in between the shoulder blades. That's okay. Pick your head back up, bend the elbows again. That pressure goes right back into my rear delt when I do this. Just hold, breathe. Breathe. When I exhale, I feel that pressure drop back into my rear delts again. Like that. I'm gonna hold it. I've gotta hold it. Hold it. Okay, calm down. Breathe. It's not easy to hold this. Oh, stand up tall, pull them back. Oh, there's still tension in there. Hold, hold, hold. Okay, now let's rotate for 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That change of direction. Boom. One more. Ooh. Hold it again. 2. Oh. Let's squeeze the back of the shoulders. Look up. And squeeze the back of your shoulders. Go up. Can we interlock? Let's interlock our fingers. Squeeze. Flex them. Oh. 3 deep breaths. One more. Beautiful. Now we add weight. We're going heavy now. We're going up 10 pounds. We are at 15s. Let's go to 25s. No vibrations, no waves. Set everything down gently. Let's go to 30. Let's kick it up. This is going to require explosive force now. Give me one more second. That's tough. I feel that. I feel every bit of that. Oh. Okay, 30s, let's go. Heavy set. Deep breath in. Remember to draw your belly button in. We always relax our gut everywhere we go. Pull it back in. I'm gonna do a hamstring deadlift to pick this up. Oh. Back into a half hamstring deadlift right here. And we're just gonna rotate and push back. We're going for about 12 reps. We'll see what we got. Maybe we can do more. Drive it. I like a full rotation when I'm going heavy, so I rotate all the way in. Go. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 10 bursts. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we're gonna pump it 10 times, just body weight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold it back. That's the rear delt. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. Please try it out, see how you feel, and let me know how it goes. Thank you.